Looking for the best gaming headset for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 gaming headset that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a gaming headset that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended gaming headset. Number 1 on the list is HyperX Cloud II. This excellent option provides gamers with top-notch sound quality thanks to its large 52mm drivers and integrated 7.1 surround sound abilities. It also features comfortable memory foam ear cushions and a leatherette headband. HyperX is a company that has made a dent in the world of gaming headsets. They provide consistent quality across their lineup of products. The Cloud II is no different from any other HyperX offering, as it delivers stellar sound quality thanks to its large 52mm drivers and integrated 7.1 surround sound capability. You'll love wearing the Cloud II headset with its memory foam ear cushions and leatherette headband, a perfect match for long gaming sessions. The Cloud II is compatible with Windows PCs, PlayStation 4, and Xbox One, so you can jump between your favorite platforms and still bring your HyperX headset. The one thing we would like to see improved is the included USB sound card, as it left a bit of quality to be desired. Overall, the HyperX Cloud II is our favorite choice for a gaming headset and is also the best gaming headset, PS4. Second on the list is SENZER SG500 Surround Sound Pro Gaming, the SENZER SG500 Pro Gaming Headset. This headset is a great alternative that provides high-quality sound and noise cancellation features, making it a great option for both gaming and programming. This gaming headset is designed for extended periods of use, featuring telescopic arms and detachable memory foam ear cushions that allow you to listen to music or attend calls for up to 8 hours without experiencing pressure buildup. The headset also includes active noise cancellation and big, soft, high-protein ear pads for optimal comfort. The SENZER SG500's bendable noise-canceling microphone filters out background noise and delivers crystal-clear audio to your teammates during virtual meetings. Additionally, the headset includes a volume dial to adjust the volume or mute the sound of the headphones and a switch to turn your microphone on and off, equally good for work and play. One of the standout features of this headset is its surround sound capability, making it a great choice for both coding during the day and gaming at night. The headset includes a 3.5mm jack and a microphone jack 3.5mm adapter, making it compatible with any device from your work computer to your game console. It's worth noting that the SENZER SG500 is bulkier than our top pick and sports a 3.5mm jack rather than a USB-A connector, which may put some readers off. However, it still delivers excellent sound quality and noise cancellation, making it a great choice for anyone in need of a reliable headset for programming or gaming. Number 3 on the list is Logitech G Pro X Gaming Headset. Logitech has made a great gaming headset, and the best model is the Logitech G Pro X Wireless. This headset has a low-latency, cross-platform 2.4 GHz connection that's as immediate as a wired headset. It's also very comfortable, even for those who wear glasses, with the option of velour or memory foam ear cushions, and boasts impressive build quality with plenty of metal. The 50mm drivers inside deliver neutral sound with a slight emphasis on the mids, which can highlight footfall noises. Surround sound is provided by 3D audio on the PS5 or DTS Headphone X on the PC. Wireless headsets tend to suffer when it comes to microphone quality. But the solid integrated hardware and the addition of Blue Voice software on the PC make this one of the best sounding options in the category. Battery life is reasonable at around 20 hours, and charging via USB-C is easy, though not fast. One aspect we would like to highlight is the ease of use of this model. Logitech has managed to fit a large number of controls, power, volume, microphone mute, into a single headset, while ensuring that each one is pleasant to use. Overall, the Logitech G Pro X's are a great choice for any competitive PC gamer. If you prefer a wired headset, the standard G Pro X are also superb and you can buy them at a lower price. Number 4 on the list is Binion Wireless Gaming Headset, introducing the Binion Wireless headset with microphone. This pro-level gaming headset uses cutting-edge 2.4 GHz lossless wireless connectivity, giving you the ultimate in audio quality and performance. One of the best headsets for streaming, it utilizes 7.1 surround sound, a noise-canceling microphone and RGB lights for added style. With an impressive 48-hour battery life, you can game all day and night without having to worry about recharging. Fast USB-C charging means you can top up your batteries in no time, so you'll never be interrupted mid-game again. The Binion gaming headset also features simple button controls for volume, mute, and call answering, as well as a wireless range of 32 feet and. Number 5 on the list is Logitech G435 Lightspeed. The Logitech G435 Lightspeed is a gaming headset that features the company's super-fast and low-latency wireless connection. This headset is designed to work for gaming on PC, smartphones, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch. At only 5.8 ounces or 165 grams, it is lightweight, making it comfortable to wear for long periods of time. For added comfort, the headset comes with breathable fabric ear cups and memory foam padding, which helps absorb sound and improve sound quality. The built-in dual beamforming microphones eliminate background noise and deliver clear voice communications. The collaboration between Amazon and peripheral manufacturer Logitech has resulted in one of the best deals around. With the Logitech G435 Lightspeed gaming headset having a heavily discounted price of $29.99. This lightweight wireless headset with Lightspeed connection normally goes for $79.99, according to Amazon's listing price. However, now during the limited time deal, gamers can find the headset at a 63% discount, which can save them $50 on the purchase. Just now is a list of 5 best gaming headset that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.